Okay, as promised, I'll take a video of this saw from a cold start. Just got home from work. It's a bit after 7 o'clock. That's what happens when you work with a guru. You leave in the dark and get home in the dark. But anyway, it's something else. But yeah, it's a pretty clean saw. The 41's not for sale. It's sentimental. So yeah, don't ask. Yeah, clean saw. As I said, when the old man bought it in clearance sale, he's going to use it to take camping. When we go crayfishing mainly, just cut up a bit of wood, but I thought it was a bit big, so I bought him a Stihl 181, a bit lighter and takes up less room in the boat. I think Dad used it once, so yeah, basically brand new bar and chain on it. Hasn't done much work, so yeah, I'll take that off and I'll set the camera up and start it up for you. Down there. Alright, so choke on, switch it on, car throttle, chain brakes on, plenty of compression. Fire first kick, normally two pulls, chokes off. Hear me? So I'm going to spray the oil first. Could probably be turned up a little bit, so hold on a little bit low. I'll do that. But yeah, that's it. That's the saw. Like I said, yeah, very clean. Hasn't done much work. And yeah, a good saw. So yeah, happy bidding.